Okay. Unfortunately, it doesn't seem to be picking up my voice. And that's the problem. Maybe just. Looks like we're recording and got an echo canceling speaker. Okay. Central part of this course is a study of functions. I just heard feedback. Did you hear it? That shouldn't be a problem. Okay. This is a study of functions. Basic functions. And this is another pattern that is my MDE 61 class. I'm seeing it, but I can say a little more. Part of that x equals x squared. This is your basic squaring. Can you read this? Okay. Easier to read on the board or on the screen? What's that way to read? Board. You're gonna have to figure out a way to get the camera closer. There's a basic square. Can everybody read this on the board? Yeah, it's a challenge. I'll write more. Okay. Okay. Y equals f of x equals x cubed is your basic cubing. Y equals f of x equals 2 raised to the x power. Here's your basic. Exponential function. Y equals f of x equals 1 over x is your basic reciprocal. And the 1 over x squared function is basic reciprocal. Square function. You can make a table for any of these functions. Let's do the basic reciprocal function. See, I've written x values -2, -1, -1/2, 0, 1/2, 1, 2. Okay, so the basic function is evaluated just at these points and only at the points where you can actually evaluate it without using the calculator. You're going to have to show the arithmetic. Now this is the assignment comes up or Sunday, we'll talk about it a little more next time. We don't have a lot of time left today. So we have this, and we have y equals f of x equals 1 over x. Okay. So if x is -2, what's y? Well, y equals f of -2. Says, and we notice that I've substituted -2 for x. Since -2 is substituted for x, then I'm going to have 1 over -2. And that's -1/2. Okay. Now I can okay, here I'm going to get 1 over -1 equals 1. Now we get to a fraction. I'll say a little bit more about this. This is 1 over -1/2. Here's an assignment on fractions. Well, that would do much. You have to know fractions. So just to motivate you to know fractions. This means 1 over -1/2 means 1 divided by -1/2, which means 1 times -2 over 1, which is -2. If y equals 0, we have to find 1 over 0. 1 divided by 1/2 is 2 because you can count 1/2 and another 1/2 makes 1. Takes 2 of them to make 1. How many zeros do you need to add up to get 1? You never get. You can add as many zeros as you want, you just end up with 0, so you can't define division by 0. This is undefined. So we actually kind of cross this line out. Not going to involve a point on the graph. Well, then 1/2 is going to give you 2, 1 is going to give you 1, 2 is going to give you 1/2. Make a graph of y versus x. You put -2 here, you put 2 here, at equal distances from the origin. You divide the interval from -2 to 0 in half, and from 0 to 2 in half, and you get 1, -1, and 1. And then you divide the interval between 1 and 0 in half, and you get -1/2 and 1/2. Notice the distance between 1/2 and 0 is half the distance between -1 and 0, and half the distance between -2 and 1. These points are not equally spaced, so make sure you have that. We're almost done here. I'm not going to label -1. If you graph these, you will end up with points here, here, and here, and I assume you know how to do this. Although if you want to use calculators, which you've probably done, mathematics. In any case, you get a set of functions like this. Then this is the graph of the basic function. Now you can draw a curve extend the graph, so that the extended measure function, I can now draw a curve here, here. And then you can even extend that further, but the one thing you don't do, this is very important. So a minute over, for more than another minute. You don't connect this point to this point because the x equals 0 point is undefined. Any way you try to connect this point to this point, you're going to go through the y-axis. And that would assign a value to the x equals 0 point. Okay. So we don't connect this point to this point. We maybe look further and see what happens. Well, you get a asymptote here, the horizontal asymptote here, the horizontal asymptote, horizontal asymptote. But we'll talk about that when we have time to do it. That's the first picture.